Hey guys, and welcome back to another Blender tutorial. Kevin here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you some simple Boolean stuff. So let's get started. So we're going to use the square that Blender provides whenever you first get into the program. Now, once you do that, create a circle. We're going to bring that guy up. Not a circle, actually. Meant a sphere. Bring the sphere up to halfway, just like that. Now, go to top view and move this to the corner, which would be right, let's do right there. And right there as well. Now that we got that, let's start out with some simple Boolean stuff. So first you want to select the one you want the Boolean to be affected, like the object that it'll actually affect. You want to select that first, then go over here to modifiers, add modifier into the generate, Boolean. Now click this little dropper here, and then click the sphere. Change it to difference, or really depending on what you're doing. If you're doing an intersection or a union, that's what the Boolean will also do. But now we can click apply, move this out of the way, and boom, there's the little cut that it made out of the square. But what we can do also to get an even smoother cut is whenever you take the sphere, under shading, click smooth, and that smooths out the sphere. So now, remember, select the one that you want the action to be applied to first, then Boolean, dropper, click the sphere, and I'll change it to difference. Now when I apply it, you can see this is much smoother than that, and there's a big difference there. And you can go along the rest of the square just like that. Right click on it to select it, Boolean, dropper, select, and then there's Boolean, and I'll go over one more time. Modifier, and of course you want to make sure you do select this first, and you only select one at a time. Boolean, sphere, and we can go ahead and delete the sphere. And there, now we have that's all you need to know for Boolean. It's really just that simple. And then of course, for intersection, that's for difference. If you want to do intersection, what intersection will do is put that right there. There we go. So what intersection will do is if we select this first, add Boolean, and then click apply while it's on intersection, it'll cut out what was in the sphere. So what we could also do is select the sphere first, and then do intersection on the sphere. And now, now whenever you apply it, there's the half of the sphere that was in the circle. So that's what the intersection Boolean does. But the union is very useful as well. What you do for that is same thing, Boolean, intersection, except this time change it to union. Then select cube and hit apply. Now these are one object. There are no longer two, and it makes a copy of it. So now that would be good for just fusing all types of different things together. And that is actually really all there is to it in Boolean. It's very simple, and if you just use it a little more often, you'll get better at it. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.